Good morning. It is 10 o'clock on Sunday. Unfortunately, I woke up sick. Yesterday, I had such a sore throat in the middle of the night, and I had my tonsils out, but I feel like I always get sore throat still. And this one I can't get rid of. I had it all weekend. And I can't breathe, as you can hear. I am so congested, but whatever. I am trying to just relax this morning. Aunt's out doing some stuff. And then we are going to finish the bathroom today. So it has been such a long time since I came on here and I updated you guys on anything. Oh my God, what is she doing? She's like eating the tree. So since the last time I came on here, I have moved in with Aunt and we got a puppy. And I also got a job I was a long-term sub for an English classroom. Now with that, it was only around 2 months long, and that's basically the whole time that I haven't been filming, but I was super busy with that, overwhelmed with work. It was so much fun, and I loved it, and it was such a good experience, but it's over now, so I'm back to regular subbing at the middle school, but it was such a good experience. I'm really happy that I was able to do that. So life was pretty busy. I really had no time off. The time off that I did have, I was spending it getting work done. So unfortunately with YouTube, I had to take a little break. So I want to get back into it though. I miss it. I miss making videos. I always use that excuse of well, I don't have the right equipment. I don't have good lighting, anything like that. But I just want to get back into it because I know I'm being asked a lot about the videos and getting back into it and everything. So I figured, why not film me today? I mean, it's not really an exciting day. I might go to Marshall's, pick up some stuff. We got this wood that he stained from Home Depot yesterday. So he's hand making shelves for the bathroom because the bathroom's gonna get finished today. We were working on updating the bathroom. So as you can see, there's all this construction kind of up here. Shortly after I moved in with him, we were sitting here in the kitchen and I looked up and there was literally right here, the ceiling was going like this. And I was like, I don't think that's supposed to be like that. And he literally went like this to the ceiling and the whole thing just crumbled down. So turns out there was a leaky pipe and there was leaks in the bathroom, and so now we had to gut the bathroom. So it is crazy. So much work had to be done. I feel like it's just one thing after another. They're not kidding when they say if you want to own a house, it's literally a constant project. But it's been fun and we're really making it our own. Oh, and we also got back from Mexico, which I'm working on the vlog right now. We took a lot of GoPro videos, so I'm working on trying to get those videos uploaded and then putting together them in the video. So, but I'm gonna try and get working on making more videos for you guys, makeup related, life related, fitness related. You know, it's just been a while and I've really been getting back into the groove, and things have finally started to settle down a little bit. Hello. Yep. Oh, she got her phone. See ya. Ooh, darling. Hey, baby. I love you, I love you, I love you. I need you, yes I do. I love you, I love you, I love you. Got on my Eagles gear. We got the Superbowl today. I'm putting on very little makeup. Oh, dang. Okay. So I've been having these dry patches on my eyes. So I'm trying not to really put anything around my eyes. Just like extra cream, if anything. Because I don't want to irritate it more, because I really don't know what it is. And you can see a dermatologist. So as you can see, this is my new background. So this is my makeup room in the new house. And I haven't really done anything to it besides, you know, put my stuff in it. We have a bed back there. But I plan on putting stuff like on the wall, making it look cute and everything. But we've been focusing on the bathroom and like way other important things. Aunt surprised me with some coffee. So since I'm not feeling well, and honestly, I'm tan from Mexico, I really don't feel like doing anything. All I pretty much do anymore is mascara and some eyebrows. That's it. Oh, I don't know how I forgot to mention this, but so today's the Super Bowl, so we are gonna go out for a little bit for that, because you know our Eagles are in it, so gotta go support. Guys, this is so weird for me, like filming. It's been so long. What? What are you barking at? Stop! I'm really looking for some new brow products. I'm kind of over what I've been using, but I feel like the dip brow is the only thing that sticks to my bare skin because I have like no brows right here. And if I just use a pencil or a powder, it just comes right off. Even the dip brow sometimes, like if I put my hoodie on or off, it like comes right off. So I like want to try something else, but at the same time, like it's hard for me to find something that actually works. All right, we're gonna go down. He's making some food. I'm gonna eat, and then maybe go to Marshall's, get some things for this bathroom. See you guys later. So I just left Marshall's, and then I went to Michael's because Marshall's didn't have what I was looking for. I was looking for the shelves in the bathroom. I wanted like these little clear jars to put like Q-tips and cotton balls, little things like that in. And I feel like I have been so disappointed lately with Marshall's. I don't know if it's just me, but I don't know. I feel like I haven't been able to find what I've been looking for from them. So I went into Michael's and I found them there. Got like little mason jar things. Let me know if you want to see like a house tour. I mean, we don't live in any, you know, fancy mansion or anything, but we definitely put a lot of work into the house, and with like the whole, he does all like, you know, the guy construction type of work, and then I do all the decorating, which is great. Don't get me wrong, I love that he can do that stuff. I'm gonna go back. I am feeling like absolute butt right now, so I'm gonna go visit my mom. She's got some medicine for me. That woman always has medicine for anything. And then see how Aunt's doing in the bathroom. And then I'm going to get ready because it's the Super Bowl. And you know we want the Eagles to win, so I'm gonna go get in. I mean, I'm pretty much in my Eagles gear. I got a jersey on under this. I need to get more like Eagles gear, because not like gear itself, I have gear, but I want to get like a good jersey, you know? Now I'm rambling because I said what I had to say. I'm going to check back with you guys later. Okay, so I just saw something and I wanted to just bring this up. Do you guys ever see like people's dashboards on their car? How full some of them are? This guy just had like stacks and stacks of mail on his dashboard. Like papers and mail, and like it looked like bills and stuff. Like, what are you doing? I can't even imagine what their house looks like if they have that much stuff just on their dashboard. I just had to put it out there because I don't know, I just witnessed it and thought it was, I think it's crazy. Like, what are you doing? Clean. Like, scoop it up and throw it out. If you don't need it, throw it out. If you need it, store it in an important place, because I guarantee you, if you're like 5 bills deep on your dashboard, you're not gonna be like, oh, that's where I put it. I don't know.